You know, one of the lingering side effects of shattered trust, an inability to trust ourselves. Hi, it's Dr. Debbie here, and that is one of the classic things we see when trust is shattered. Because think about it. You're like, well, I can't trust that person. How did I not see? How did I not know? And so you don't trust yourself. And then, of course, if you can't trust the person you trusted the most and you don't trust yourself, how in the world can you trust in anybody or anything? Well, we're taking it all on during the Trust Again Intensive, which is only in a couple of days. You could just learn more about that at thepbtinstitute.com/trust-intensive. But I want to teach you one of the ways you can rebuild self-trust. It's part of the 4-step trust rebuilding process. We're going to be teaching that during the intensive. But here's one of the ways you build self-trust. You give yourself little tasks and then you do them. I'm going to make that phone call, and then you do. I'm going to go to the gym and work out, and then you do. I'm going to drink that glass of water, and then you do. I will not call my ex, and then you don't. Whatever it is for you. And what you're doing is you're showing yourself when you say something, you mean it. Your word is law. You could be trusted. You can count on if you say something, that is all that needs to happen to make sure you do it. So that's one of the ways you build back trust. We're taking that on and so much more during the intensive. I hope to see you there.